Every day, men and women work together to create something bigger. It's a job made up of their time, their energy, knowledge, and future discoveries. They are more than just a cog in the wheel, more than a number on a spreadsheet. Some refer to them as resources. We call them people. Every person is unique as their company. Wherever you are, Inaz is there with you. Our solutions help you organize your work and fulfill your potential. Since 1948, we have been getting to know companies person by person because people are at the heart of work.